art friends, get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing Gumby and Pokey the horse. So to start with, we're going to have Pokey kind of laying out right here. And we're going to have Gumby behind him right here. Just doing some general layout, very light. Probably you can't see it because it's pretty light. All right, so now I'm gonna take my marker. Now you guys keep drawing in pencil because I've drawn this a few times. So to start with, we're gonna start at the top of Pokey's head and draw a triangle. Then we're gonna draw another triangle, and you're right, those are his ears. Then we're gonna draw a line back, back, and back. That's the top of his mane. And we're gonna draw a line down diagonally, back, and down for the back of him. Then he's got his ponytail, some lines coming back. All right, then, and this is gonna look weird, but I'm gonna draw a line coming like this, around and back up. And then I'm gonna draw a line coming up because that's the mane, and this is his hand, I guess, if Gumby has a hand. And then there's Pokey's mane. All right, then right here, I'm gonna draw a big circle with another circle. I'm gonna shade that in, leaving just a little bit of light because he's looking at Gumby. Then I'm gonna draw a line down and out and down. There's the top of his nose. Then it's gonna come back and back out. Then I'm gonna come here and draw a diagonal line down and around like so. I'm gonna draw a line coming down, down, down with a curve. Now I'm gonna draw another line coming down, down, down that's gonna meet up. Then here's his first leg. And then here's his second leg. And it's gonna come down just a little bit further. Move that over. And then he's got a hind leg right here. And then, I know this is weird, but Gumby is gonna be right behind him. Should have done it about here, so I'll get rid of that. Okay, so it kind of lines up. All right, then what the heck? Let's do Gumby for a while. Now we're gonna come around, come up past his nose, just right to here. And then Gumby's got another, this is like the shadow that kind of comes up like so. All right, back to Pokey. So then for Pokey, we're gonna come out. And this leg's gonna be shorter because it's back further. Like so. And then it's just gonna come around. And there's Pokey. Good job. All right, now we're gonna draw Gumby's other leg. So it's gonna come down, come kind of out, and back up, 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 past his ear, about to there. And we're gonna draw a curved line coming up. And there's his like mitten hand, thumb, back down, and around, and he's got kind of a little curve for his shoulder. Excellent work. All right, then for the other leg, it's coming up, 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 past Pokey's ear, and then it's coming back down, and these should be kind of similar. Then I'm gonna come up here, Draw the arm down so it's overlapping. And to finish up, I'm going to draw this up, up, and then back down. So this side comes up a little further. All right, then for the eyes, we have one eyebrow that looks like a little jelly bean. Another eyebrow that looks like a jelly bean. A big circle. There are more ovals. And then we've got some littler circles inside. And I'm going to shade those in, leaving just a little light, just like that. So he's looking at his friend Pokey. Soft triangle with the point up. And then we're gonna draw the mouth. So the mouth is gonna be kind of big, because then we're gonna put a littler one inside. And now we have Gumby and Pokey. Should we make some stars? Triangle, 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 triangle. And there's the star. Let's make a bigger one. This one's gonna overlap. That one wasn't so great. Let's try it again. Triangle, triangle. This one comes down, back up. This one comes across and back up. That looks pretty good. Let's make one over here. Yeah, let's make a tiny one. That one looks pretty good. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, here's the ground. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Armenia. Thanks for watching.